Hey, the people. A buddy of ours, well, we decided it was time that we build him a present. So this is going to be a quickie, but I'm going to make a console. I'm not going to say replica, but this is inspired by a piece that was the tactical display from the Battle of Hoth in Star Wars: The Empire Strikes Back. Here's an image that I pulled off the internet, and this is where we're sort of working from. So this will involve etched acrylic and a stand. And we're gonna make it fairly simply, and this is, like I said, it's gonna be an inspired by piece. Based on size constraints that he has and his prop collection, he's got a massive prop collection. It's beautiful stuff. Just a wonderful collector and a really, really sweet guy. Anyway, so based on his size constraints, we are scaling this thing down a little bit. In fact, I'm probably gonna do another one that's gonna be quarter scale, so it'll be, I don't know if you can see how big I'm gesturing, but it's gonna be that big. And we'll do that for another buddy, Philip Wise, who owns Official Picks. So we are adapting this to fit in the space that he has. And it will also serve, I think, as part of a barrier. He's got the hollow chest set that used to be on the Millennium Falcon, also made by Philip Wise. And he needs a barrier so that people don't try and grab at the little pieces and stuff when people come over to visit. So hopefully this will be able to serve two purposes. Here's some footage of us doing a basic frame up for this sort of a Stonehenge styled base. And then we have a control panel that goes on top. And that's what I'm working on right now. So if you zoom in to this, what I have done is I've actually drawn out my pieces. I don't know how well you can see this. So I've got these little panel components that I've done. This has a chamfered edge. These will get placed like so. And then we have these two buttons will go in here. That's just, your two master buttons. And then this console piece over here. I love this idea where you have little modular panels that are all set up. And these obviously will be countersunk in the top, so they won't look like that. It'll look much better than that. This last little piece right here, I'm gonna epoxy that in place, and then it'll be ready for paint. Now to paint.
Big reveal.
Don't pull away, pull straight down.
Good point. Dust. Hooray, dust.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Oh, I need to be painted gold with a red arm.
Ah!
Oh, back on Hoth.
Yeah. So, rebellion, empire. Rebellion, empire. Yavin 4.
Ah.
Yeah.
Gratuitous sets.
Yeah. All right, so next we're gonna put the bottom piece on. We only have light coming in from the top right now because we only had that much RGB LEDs, so we need to get some more and install the other piece. And then the video will wrap up and stuff like that. All right, guys, we're here in the home of our recipient, and so he's in the back. He's been hidden in the back. We're about to pull him forward and unveil this thing for him and see if we can get a little bit of a reaction. So this actually came after when we were here for the after party. Yeah. We were all outside talking, and I said, you'd been overly generous, and I said, it's time we built something for you. So that's kind of what happened. So I consulted a little bit with Margaret, kind of got the okay from her, talked to Armando, coordinated a little bit, and then this happened. So hope you don't hate it. Wait.
Push button.
Going forwards?
Huh?
Flip forwards?
Yeah. What board are you on?
What? Oh, it should be blue.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
God.
So, and it's dirty because it rode here in the truck.
And our shop is filthy.
Ours is pretty clean.
You recognize it?
I would have said Star Wars.
It's the
Yeah.
it's the evacuation.
Rebel,
Yeah, from Echo Base.
So it's got different modes. You can plan it hot.
And I brought you a lifetime supply of acrylic cleaner.
Go to Yavin.
Oh, Yavin.
Yavin mode.
Empire.
Imperial mode
Imperial mode.
and Hoth mode. This is awesome. Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Hoth.
like science better Hoth mode. He liked it.